Django, how to unit test a post request using request.FILES. I have the following logic in my view. Where upload file form equals to. I am trying to write unit tests for this view. Looking in Django docs, the suggested way is this. My goal is to get upload form.is_valid to evaluate to true, so I can test the code which follows the form validation. When I run the test above, upload form.is_valid evaluates to false. Is there anything I am missing? Is the code in my test adding the file to request.files, or is it doing something else?
In the docs, the file field is called attachment, but in yours, it's called file. You don't need name in your post data either. That refers to another field called name, not the name of the file that you are uploading. Try the following.
Maybe I'm missing something here, but sounds like a job for a good mock library. I personally really like mock. But I fall into the camp that believes that your unit tests should be free of all external dependencies, like having to have a file named file.csv in a certain location, etc.
The way Django's test suite does it is. This way you don't need to create a temp file and write to it, and you don't need to mock a file. Not as easy as it sounds.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.